Have you ever wondered, why are we stuck to the earth? Why are we just floating around? Or what's this mysterious thing called gravity? Hello, I am Mayan Petronilo Barajas, and today I'm going to show you the awesome world of science. First of all, I think I should explain what gravity is. Gravity is the force that sticks all of us to the earth. Without gravity right now, we would all be floating around, and there would be no need for NASA because we would all be floating to space soon. Everything here on Earth accelerates at the same speed, no matter what size or weight it is. Everything will accelerate at the same speed here. And let me show you. If I'm correct, then these two bottles will fall at the same exact time. This water bottle is completely full, as you guys can see. There's barely any air in there. And this one, it's almost empty. I'd say an eighth should be full. Here, let's test it. All right, let's test it out. So see these two water bottles? I'm gonna drop them nearly at the exact same time. Mainly because I can't, because I'm human. Let's see if they drop at the same time. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get a replay. And let me prove you that it's true. See, I'm gonna get two tissues, and if I crumble them up, and if they fall at the same time, then that means that it also works with things that are lighter. All right? So drop it in 3, 2, 1. Let's get another closer look. All right, now let me show you that it works with even other things. Look at this. We have the bottle now, and a tissue. It doesn't have anything. You see that? It lands really softly. If I smack it, it doesn't have anything. All right. Now look at this. 3, 2, 1. Let's have another closer look. And now the other thing that we need to worry about is air resistance, but we don't need to cover it too much here. I'll just give a light explanation. See, I have two tissues here. One is going to be crumbled into a ball, the other one is not. And we're going to let them fall at the same exact time. Let's see which one falls faster. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we didn't even need to replay that one. Obviously, the tissue fell a lot slower than the ball of tissue. And the reason is because there's air stopping the tissue. It's similar to how parachutes work, letting us fall slowly. They wouldn't work without air resistance. However, if it were in a vacuum, or if there was nothing to move it, then it would fall at the exact same time. Even if it was not crumbled, if it was all flat, it would still fall at the exact same time. All right, now you know that gravity attracts everything at the same rate. So now the real question is, how do space people start floating? Let me answer that for you, but first, let me ask you a question. Would you believe me if I were to tell you that the further away you are from Earth, the less you weigh? Well, hopefully you believe me because it's true. And to make things clear, only your weight will change and not your mass. It's as if you were on the moon. You would weigh less, however, your mass would be the same. You'll be able to jump higher there because you have less weight, but not your mass. Your mass stays the same. And this is the formula.
All right, here we can see F equals G times M1 times M2 over R squared. F is the force of gravity between two objects, measured in newtons. G is the gravitational constant, which is always the same. And it's not the constant here on Earth, it's the constant in the universe. M1 is the mass of the first object in kilograms. M2 is the mass of the second object in kilograms. R is the distance between the center of the two objects. So basically it says that every object with mass pulls on every other object with mass. The force gets stronger if the masses are larger and weaker if the distance between them is bigger, since it's divided by R squared.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching the video, and this is a science homework project, so if you learned something, good job. I'm not sure if I did a good job, but please give me a review, leave a comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend, because I know you won't. And I'll see you next time if phase allow it. Oh yeah, just for you guys know, everything was mirrored. I had to write everything backwards. It's because the front camera was backwards, so yeah, I had to do everything. Yeah, I do not get paid enough for this. I see ya.